In this video, I will show you how to add DNS records on Namecheap. First of all, you need to log into your Namecheap account, then click on your profile in the top left corner and go to your dashboard. Go to the domain list and you need to find the domain where you want to add the DNS records. For example, I have got only one active domain, so I will click on Manage on the right side. Then you need to choose Advanced DNS in the menu, and from here we can add the DNS records. Right here you can see this red button, Add New Record. You need to click on this, and then you need to choose the record type. As you can see, there's a full list, a record, CNAME, CAA record, and etc. For example, I will add a record. When you choose the record type, then you need to enter the host and value right here, and you need to select the TTL. Then you need to click this tick button right here, and your changes will be saved. So that's how you can add record to your domain on Namecheap. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.